Hey folks, this is Josh with Judge Services in Carbondale, and it is February 11th. It's about 46 degrees, which is awesome. We'll take that every day. We got some roof cleaning in this morning. We are chopping away at our cleaning list every day that we can. We are cleaning all throughout the winter, but we're just having to kind of play day by day whenever the weather cooperates with us and allows us to get out and work. So we're about a month away from the local spring break, which means it's about time to do some playground cleaning. Every year we clean playgrounds for local schools for free just because it's a big job for the facilities people to be able to clean those on a regular basis, especially if you don't have the equipment that we have or the manpower. So we just take a day off. We dedicate a whole day to cleaning playgrounds. Take our whole crew, all our equipment, and we just knock them out. And last time I think we did 5 of them. We're going to do 5 of them again this day. It takes about a whole day. So we just need your help to nominate and vote for the school that you want us to clean. So we're going to start a separate poll, in which case you can add whatever school you want to, and then folks can vote on it. The only stipulation is we're not going to include the 5 that we watched last time, which I think was Jefferson Elementary in Marion, Unity Point, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, Tri-C Elementary, and there was one other one. I can't think of it right now. Anyhow, we're going to skip those this time, and then we can circle back around to them and clean them next time, or at least allow them to be voted on. So anyhow, look for the separate poll on our page and nominate and vote for whatever school you would like for us to clean. We're going to run it for 2 or 3 weeks until we get some decisive winners. And again, we're going to do in the top 5. So just because it's not the number 1 voted for doesn't mean we're not going to clean it. Keep those votes coming in, and look forward to doing this again. So hope you all are having a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.